Honor and respect to you, family. Today we will have this video strictly about Zafem. And of course, and I am honored, really honored to have assist. So I have attended 13 concert of Zafem from last year until now. And I think it was important for me to have this little video, and also before their return from the major tour in Haiti right now. Supposed to finish, let me see, tomorrow's the last day. So I thought it was really necessary that I have this video about Zafem. I'm no longer going to talk about Zafem in a way, in a concept of thinking. I'm no longer thinking. Now everything that I have felt about Zafem have been manifesting. So I will say everything that I'm saying about Zafem are like really strictly fact. There's no doubt about it. So as we know, Zafem's been here for the first album been here like a year now, and since then they have been doing wonders. From Billboard to I've lost track of how many concerts they have had in the past, and the only thing that's remained normal as usual when it comes to Zafem is whenever you go to Zafem, it's never the same. It's never the same. It's always something different. The experience take you somewhere else. It's always the next level. And to how would I say that? To confirm what I'm saying, it's not because I'm crazy about Zafem. Like I said, it's not even about Zafem. It's more than that. But I have invited many people to Zafem. And it's funny, a few times people go and, people will not move. And I'm like, what's going on? But I'm still busy having fun. And after the party, the first thing they would tell me, yo, next time I'm coming with you. Next time I'm coming. That was so different. That was so cool. I liked it. And to be honest with you, it's something about Zafem that is completely unique. That's the reason why I'm saying that. People kept on saying that Zafem is a band. Yeah, apparently, well, Zafem is a band. But to me, Zafem, it's more than that. Zafem, like I said, it's a musical galaxy by itself. Zafem, for me, it's a hiding prophecy. That's how I see it. That's what it is. And I feel like the universe is really using Zafem as a reference, as a great example of what is to come. I kept on telling people that the planet is thirsty. Is in search for everything that is authentic and organic, the way we were supposed to be pure. And I think anyone who fall into the same logic or make those kind of choices, the planet itself will definitely reward you, will definitely back you up, bless you in a way that is unexplainable. That's how I see it, and that's what exactly Zafem is experiencing, and everybody can say it. And the funny thing, because we are in a society where they don't know how to appreciate, they don't know how to love, they don't have the sense of morality, of values anymore. They're all about the opposite, and they feel very uncomfortable with the presence of Zafem. But like I said, little do they know, Zafem has nothing to do with Reginald or Dene. Those two souls were put aside for this movement, for this mission. So thinking like they have a problem with them because they feel uncomfortable, no, they really have a problem with nature, with Mother Nature, or the universe, who has really put Zafem on the side for this specific moment. To be honest with you, I don't know how to describe it. There's nothing more. I have no words. But it has to be like somebody has to go to Zafem to really understand or feel this experience. I know a lot of time when you go on the internet and people be like, oh yeah, the sound is not good. Like I said, I've been to Zafem 13 times. Trust me, I did not regret once, and there's not once there was a problem. Like I said, Zafem have its own principles. Like, you want to come to Zafem, you want to hear what Zafem is all about, bring yourself. Don't sit and just expect to have all the good sound on the internet. Like I said, they choose to do things how they wish, and nobody can tell them what to do. So that's basically it. And people are just like so used to like everything look the same, sounds the same, feel the same, and the fact that Zafem is different, they have a problem with that. But at the end of the day, like I said, Zafem is doing all those marvelous things successfully, is is hiding, like is really going to on top. It's moving from level to level, and the great beautiful things about that is like every time like they try to come up with something, Mother Nature just proves them wrong. So it seems to me like as the more they try to destroy or give a bad image or bad reputation of Zafem, accuse them of this, of that, Mother Nature just come and just like change the whole thing. So everybody feel like a liar. So I feel like whoever's trying to destroy Zafem or to come against Zafem, it's really that person who's going down. Well, whether it could be like a person, a group, entity, whatever, because like I said, we are in a society where they are literally afraid of everything that is beautiful, everything that reflect love, unity, that reflect strength, that reflect identity. They have a problem with that. Critical thinking, they have a major problem with that, and that's what Zafem is all about. But unfortunately, just like I had a video recently where I said that we're gonna end up doing all the things that we don't want to do. You see how we all about like the hatred stuff? There will be a moment you're gonna have to find love in order for you to survive. You're gonna have to find respect. You're gonna have to find unity. You're gonna have to find values. You're gonna have to find morality and other for you to make it. So whether you like it or not, nothing's going to change, because the same things that you guys are having issue with, it's what the universe is going to require of you. So at the end of the day, let Zafem be, let Zafem be. And now they are in Haiti for, I would say that's the third time they are in Haiti, but it's for like a bigger, a bigger tour than the past two they had. So I felt like, the people really was really thirsty for Zafem. And also, the slogan that they have is Nabwe, let's drink. So basically the people really were thirsty for that. And I think for me, Zafem going to Haiti kind of make me realize a lot of things. We do know who we are. We do want to go back to our normal selves. So yes, some people keep on bringing garbage, just like they bring pepper to the people when in everything. The artists, a lot of artists, all they bring is pepper. It's like copy paste. That's all they bring to the people, and the people just like whatever. But at the end of the day, they know what they really want. It's time that we need to value our identity, our true reflection, instead of copying of people. And that's exactly what Zafem did, and that's the reason why nature have blessed Zafem. Like I said, everybody going to face some kind of judgment. It doesn't matter who. So if you make a good choice, better for you. If you make a bad choice, then you're gonna have to deal with it. So whether like I said, I kept on saying that it's something on every level, on every aspect. It doesn't matter from the youngest or to the oldest citizen, or whatever you occupy, like a public figure, whatever you do, you have a responsibility. So whatever choice you make, get ready to deal with it. That's all it is. So again, I know after the store, Zafem gonna come back, and it's gonna be like a whole different thing. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna be nothing but amazing, bigger things happening for Zafem. Like I said, I'm crazy about Zafem. I love Zafem, but I know there will be a time, trust me, there will be a time my people will be searching for Zafem, because Zafem gonna be so busy exploring different success, divinely blessed. All the, like you see the whole media, the whole I don't, like, they're like, it's a group of collectively trying to how would I say that, to block Zafem or to shadow Ben Zafem. That's how I say it. Like, they try to unite it, but not in a good vibe. They try to do it in a very some kind of like very hypocrisy. It just in a way like they're trying to all of them trying to get together just to fade away Zafem, but it's not gonna happen. They would have to fade away the universe in order to do that. But we're here to see, like I said, Zafem is something to learn from, because there's a message from this whole movement of Zafem. And like I said, Reginald and Dene, like they really pour them. That has nothing to do. It's like the universe is in charge of this movement of Zafem. And I'm pretty sure as times go by, we will see it. The world will see it. Trust me, there's a lot. There's a message. There's a lesson. I'm trying to say, I think like the password, there's something about Zafem to learn, and that's gonna help people move forward. Again, honor and respect. That's all you deserve.